So if we see for the second photo, it's pretty much exactly the same. We don't need to change anything for this photo. However, for the next photo, we do need to change it. Because in total there's, let's have a look how many there are. One, so on the left, the teacher, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what we're going to do for this one, we're going to write down, for number 1, we're going to write down in figures 10 personas. And we're going to keep it as simple as possible. So how many do we think are boys? I see that. Yeah, I think looks like there's 3 boys and 6 girls. So how about we say hay 4 chicos. Ta-da! Then we're going to say hay 6 chicas. Perfect. And then for number 4, finally, person on the left, hay una profesora. And we're going to keep it as simple as that. Other things that we could say, for example, think about words when you look in the, you could say things that could also work for this one. Let's have a look. If you weren't sure, you could say hay una clase. There's a class. Now, saying hay música is a bit unclear. Say an object and try to name the object. For example, if you said hay pelo negro, that's true. There is black hair in the photo. If you knew the word for guitar, be careful. Do you know how to spell it? Possibly not. If you looked at the clothes, can you remember, for example, you could look, if you knew the word for tie, you could say, for example, what do we think there are? If we see 6 corbatas. Keep it simple. Remember, just use the word I every time. And that's it. Fairly simple. I expect us to get 8 out of 8 for these. Okay?